have a sister who calls himself Brempoma said, me, I want to know what killed Lumba. Now, you don't have money to do autopsy. You don't have money to pay for your friend and say, Ojai. So why are you fighting then? If you Germany aba, but if you America aba, and you don't have money, why are you fighting? I mean, this is not, me who said Kevin Taylor, and I'm like, he's been so harsh. But after sitting down and thinking, ampa obia wabe bobra. She Dada Kedi, Mikadebia, may he rest in peace. Dada Kedi buy na or no, yes, in the bra wa bondi shanum. Obia and Daddy Lumba. Nobody fought. When we say Mark, because he had nothing. Because when you properties, because when you cars, because when you sika. Now a family when you bema and madon when you bema and Crawford holding high esteem. Must no, you don't want that. Rather, we will disgrace. And you have a wafer who came from America. Your friend is saying, Lumba and then they call ye. Wakofa na ba. Nipa koni fi say me autopsy na yaye or postmortem na yaye ompe forgery. Now go and do yours. So there's problem of you going to do it because you want them to postpone. No. And I'm me and family home. But me, I will back that name. Say, listen, if I were you, and me with my family, me catch them. Omuhina say, listen, mama yan shen kwalano. Yeah, no, ya older, yeah, baby. It's mama yan shen kwalano. Ne yan protect Lumba name, ne nja name no. Am man nam chroma and Crawford and sisi omo. Am my money them chroma and Crawford and go chichi farm so. Am my money chema and gasa she was some penny in man nature muno. She way the papa wambo brow, way the papa no pen man, way the papa. Don't you think say you're degrading your own children? No, you've allowed social media to come and take over your life. Why don't you sit and think, say, listen, what you're doing is going to cost your generation. It's going to cost your kids. It's going to cost anything. Muni minyansana musku konin dos unintin. Ya sakofan crophobia musuti baby. Almost say yene control Lumba family. And yebe contribute. Yene control. Do you think that every legal wife and a supporter one? Let's start thinking. Do you think every responsible legal wife and a supporting one? Do you know what comes with legal wife? Let me tell you. Bisa omo muti abrochi hana. Omo ya imagine. So all they do is omo nyejuma bia omo be vlog, you know, or they will blog, omo TikTok, you know. Bisa omo woman eba. A chroma when you have a baby.